Guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So guys, this video is long overdue. Some of you wanted to see how my charcoal briquettes, how they what how they light, and that is what I'm going to show you guys. I hope you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't, and leave me a comment if you have made these charcoal briquettes. I have several videos on this channel on how to make different types using different binding agents. So I hope you have tried any of them. If you have, please let me know in the comment section, and let's get into the video. So guys, these are our briquettes. You can see them. So these ones are made of charcoal dust and cow poop, manure. No, not manure, but cow dung. Cow dung. It's called cow dung. So but charcoal dust and cow dung. This is what we made it with. And so far, by the way, I have found this to be the best among the three that I have made. Those are ones using clay soil and the ones for baking flour. These ones are actually the best so far. They are very easy to light, by the way. So now I have my old newspapers. So I just place them inside and then simply light. So guys, it's already lit. By the way, it's not hard to even light. It takes around 2 minutes to do this, and you can see it's already okay, and it's clean. By the way, you don't see the smoke here. So that is one of the advantages of using the charcoal briquettes. It is that it is clean energy. So it produces clean energy. You will not see the smoke. So that means you will not suffer smoke, wherever, allergies, for those people who have that. And also it burns for a long time, by the way. And so like this one, you can actually cook with it for even 3 hours. Just this particular batch, you can cook with it for 3 hours, and that is one of the reasons why some people use it for brooding, because it gives you energy for a long time, unlike the normal charcoal. So yes. So guys, this is after 2 hours, and you see our briquettes are still going strong. Like I told you, they can actually burn for even 3 hours. You can cook with it for a whole 3 hours, just these little small ones. So that's a good thing. So I just hope that you can go ahead, and I'll link the video up here of how to make your charcoal briquettes using charcoal dust and cow dung, so that you can go and try it at your own wherever leisure or place, wherever you are, and then let us know in the comment section how it goes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you have learned something. If you have, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and see you in the next video. Bye.